Megan from LifESCAPE Builders, owner and founder, and this is our tiny home for TinyFest 2026. It is a one-of-a-kind build. We like to bring things different each year. We call it the art taste for that year. So you can see it's a very unique roof line, and there's some cool features. So come on inside and check it out with us. So you can see as you get onto the deck here, we do have a wraparound deck. We've got an 8-foot bifold. We've got recycled rust cast siding, metal siding, and everything is fire rated. Tempered windows throughout the house that have color matched to exterior. And then as you step inside, if we're going to enter the kitchen, an island. This is a hand-fused glass chandelier. One of the things I really like doing each year is making a custom art piece and expanding my horizons of what I can do. So that's what I learned how to do this year. So the kitchen is this beautiful high pressure laminate out of Italy. It's 2-wit panels. They have texture, they have dimension, and you just can't help but touch them. We've got a hidden fridge, a 24-inch stove there, and then the island has storage on the backside as well. And then if we head into the living room, the theme of this house was Swallow's Nest. So this is an art piece that I made to cover the electrical panel, but it's imitating or my interpretation of Swallow's Nest that I made. And yeah, plenty of room, obviously good sized couch. And then when we head into the bathroom, we've got a washer and dryer hidden away. And most importantly, our most show-stopping feature is this shower. So this shower is made out of solid surface. It has been CNC'd to have this design. It is, again, one of those features you gotta touch. And it has LED backlighting. It is a spa shower. We have a rain shower head, a regular shower head, and 4 body sprayers to choose from. So definitely not compromising on your shower experience in this home. And then we'll head over here and we'll check out the bedroom. And you can see that same thing copied in the bedroom with the swallow's nest on this back wall. We have swallow birds on a hand textured wall. This is a queen size bed. And then we have 6 feet by over 100-inch of storage here in the bedroom. And then a nice door that also gets you out onto that deck so you can really enjoy your space. Awesome. I'll take you guys, we'll walk back out actually this way. We'll walk around and you guys can see a really cool light feature that's on this side of the house as well. So you can see the green roof here on the top of the roof. So it's a live green roof. It has irrigation on a timer, so it'll automatically water itself. And then one of the last features here on the outside to look at is this thin stone. This is real stone. It's just been cut extremely thin, laid over a resin. And then we stick plexiglass behind it and LED backlight it. So it makes for a really cool conversational piece for at nighttime. And you're enjoying all your time out on the deck.